If you're searching for accounting software that's simple, smart, and built for small business owners, Xero is one name that comes up often. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about Xero, its features, strengths, weak spots, pricing, and more. So without further delay, let's get started. First off, Xero is a cloud-based accounting software made for small to mid-sized businesses. It helps you manage invoicing, bank reconciliation, bookkeeping, payroll, and more, all from one dashboard. Because it's online, you can access your financials from anywhere and collaborate easily with your accountant or bookkeeper. Now, let's talk about what you get once you log in. Xero's interface is clean, modern, and easy to navigate even if you're not a finance expert. The dashboard shows your cash flow, bills due, bank balances, and invoices at a glance. You can send quotes, create recurring invoices, and track payments in real time. It also connects directly with your bank to automatically import transactions, saving you a ton of manual work. Second, Xero stands out when it comes to integrations. It connects with over 1,000 apps, from payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, to CRMs, inventory systems, and time tracking tools. If you're running an e-commerce store or working with contractors, that flexibility makes a big difference. Plus, it has built-in support for multiple currencies, making it ideal if you work with international clients. Next up, the mobile app has everything you need. You can make invoices, scan receipts, and approve expenses while you're on the move. It works smoothly and feels fast. It's super reliable too, which is perfect for busy business owners who manage their finances on their phone. On the other hand, Xero does have a few limits. Some users mention the reporting options feel a little basic without customization, especially if you're coming from more complex systems. And while the platform is very beginner friendly, setting up payroll or advanced tax rules may still need a bit of a learning curve or some help from a pro. Now, let's go over the pricing. Xero currently offers 3 plans. The starter plan is $2.90 per month, the standard plan is $4.60 per month, and the premium plan is $6.90 per month. So overall, Xero is a great fit for small business owners, freelancers, and growing teams who need reliable accounting software that's easy to use and packed with essential features. It's flexible enough to grow with you, and with the current discount, it's also one of the best value options on the market right now. Alright, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.